Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, 'cause a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain, it still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, the halo of a street lamp turned my collar to the cold and damp, and my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools, said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you, take my arms that I might reach you, take my word, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wind of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence, and whispered in the sound